Gili T is busiest on Tuesdays, Thursdays, Saturdays, Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays, particularly in that order, as long as people are there and it's the busy season. The real magic lies beneath the surface of Gili T. It's a marine haven. These waters are conservated, meaning that no one can touch them unless they do something really good for them and not really bad for them. Despite this, commercial fishing trips and turtle watching trips are always going on the island, so I'm not really sure whether they actually are protected or whether they're just... I don't really get how that works. Divers and snorkels flock here for a reason. From cycling the island perimeter to indulging in local cooking class or supporting the Gili T Trust conservation efforts, Gili T offers a balance of adventure and relaxation. It's a place that asks its visitors to slow down, tread lightly and immerse themselves in beauty and vibrant character. Gili T isn't just a paradise you visit, you live its rhythm for a few days or however long you can stand it. From the eastern strip, Gili T earns its reputation as the party island with bustling bars, live music and a vibrant social scene that continues late into the night.